Scan ushers for he, she, his, and hers. The correct result has 3 matches: she, he, and hers. The trap is at the letter E. The automaton reaches terminal state she, but he ends at the same position. An output link recovers that suffix match. Without it, a seemingly working tree silently loses he. Insert the 4 patterns into one prefix tree. The H branch contains he, hers, and his. The S branch contains she. Our verified structure has 10 states, including root and 9 labeled tree edges. Terminal states store their own pattern. At this point, a missing edge still has no recovery path. Build failure links breadth first. State sh falls to h because h is its longest proper suffix present in the tree. State she falls to he. State his falls to s, and hers also falls to s. These are not parent links. They preserve the most text already read that can still begin some pattern. Failure and output links answer different questions. Failure says where matching can continue after a missing edge. Output says which additional terminal suffix must be reported now. At state she, the nearest terminal on the failure chain is he, so output link she points to he. Terminal-only reporting emits 2 matches overall and misses this verified overlap. Now scan ushers once. Character U has no root edge, so the state stays root. Then S moves to S, H to SH, and E to she. The state emits its own pattern she at positions 1 through 3, follows the output link without consuming text, and also emits he at positions 2 through 3. The next character is R. State she has no or child, so the trace follows 1 failure edge to he. From he, R advances to her. The final S advances to hers and emits hers. The measured search uses 6 character reads, 5 go-to edges, 1 failure edge, 1 root miss, and 3 output emissions. The complete mechanism has 3 roles. Tree edges consume matching characters. Failure edges recover the longest useful suffix after a missing edge. Output links report terminal suffixes without consuming anything. Our implementation matches the naive reference exactly and rejects an empty pattern as an explicit boundary. The verified trace reports all 3 overlaps in one left-to-right scan.